So dudes, back to you again with another video. I was gonna do a POV, but I just started like this and then throw it on my head whenever. Today is pretty cool because we're gonna go ahead and meet up with a buddy of mine that I met not so long ago. I went to a car meet after I shot my last video. M5 came through and he is out. And I met him, glorious M5, dude. It was like amazing. It was nighttime. I didn't see how beautiful it looked during the day, but now we're going to go see it during the day. So in this vlog, we're gonna go hang out with the Bavarian group on Instagram and see if he lets me film the car. I didn't tell him, I don't know. It's kind of awkward if I'm gonna throw a camera in people's face, but if today goes well, you guys should see M5. You guys been nice for M5, here's the M5. Not my M5, but a M5. For ultimate swag, we're gonna pop up the sunroof. We're gonna be on our melody way. Okay. Alright, so dudes, here's the M5. Just kidding. This is the M5 I was talking about. So do a walk around. Wow. What's up, Pedro?
What's up, man? How are you?
So hey, this is Pedro's car right here. 91, right?
91.
91 M5. I seen him at a car meet and I was really jealous because, you know, my car's broken. But
we're gonna fix that.
Yeah, fix it. Look at this stuff. Oh, you can see my ugly face. Sheesh. So yeah, we came out. We're gonna just take some photos and just go sightseeing a little bit. I know there's another spot that's it's right by the beach. We can like hang off the beach.
Let's go. I drive your car, you drive mine. There.
What?
Yeah.
You guys wouldn't believe what I just did. Basically, I was so discombobulated and shocked from Pedro just handing me the M5 keys like, here you go, dude, drive it. Shout out to Pedro for that. I didn't notice I was recording the damn headliner and I almost didn't make this video, but you know, I pushed through it and turns out I'm not a good car review. You guys didn't miss anything and it sounded a little bit something like this. So you guys wanted an M5 and Pedro gave it to us. We're reviewing the M5, his M5. I can't believe I'm in the M5 right now. This is crazy. We're riding in the M5, boys. Wow, this is crazy. Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. Damn, dude, this is so amazing. This is amazing. This is crazy. And you know what's even more crazy? Like, none of these people here know what I'm driving. Oh yeah, today's a good day. There's no one here. Two babies we were just rolling out with. So Pedro drove the 540. I was a little embarrassed because, as you can see, drifting in the rain, this is a no bueno. This is bald. So that, and I have a bad motor mount, so he was driving it like that. He said it was kind of good, you know? Kind of good. Other than that, this car, it's a solid, like, example of what my M5 should be. Bam. Look at that. That's gonna be the cover photo right there. Let me actually take a photo for the cover photo right now. It's a beautiful day, man. Yeah, I actually got it stuck in that tree. Did you? Yeah. We're gonna go get something to drink. Then we're also gonna go get some rolling shots for the video. And then yeah, so let's do that. All right, so we arrived at the spot waiting for another buddy. We're gonna get some rolling shots, so we'll see how that goes down. Shout out to Sal that's just peeing right there. All right, Got my little rig set up. Here we go. Concludes the video. We are out. We did a lot today. We were mobbing, owning the street. Shout out to Fish for coming down all late. Shout out to Pedro.
Hey man, take care.
Hey, see you, man.
See you guys on the next one.
Take care, y'all. We'll go to the shop soon, so you guys see that shop.
Later.
All right, look at the M5 there. Oh, barely made it with those steering box wide turns. I get this all. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, go! Alright, we are out. That's a wrap. Shout out to Frank. Thanks, man.
Yep.
Shout out to Sal. Shout out to Ling Ling for being a champ. Withstanding my my driving. Alright, we out here. So dudes, can you believe I forgot to mention to like, subscribe, comment, all that famous YouTube stuff. And yeah, this is when I crashed the drone in the tree. I have a whole episode about that, trying to get that down. It was man versus nature. Yeah guys, like, subscribe, comment, all that famous YouTube stuff. Thanks for being awesome. Peace.
Niggas envy, bloody got the stiffy, got the